My name is Bouke Felix. I'm the Managing Director of Rutges Cargo. Rutges Cargo is a Dutch transport company, a Dutch logistics provider who is providing transport and freight management solutions to the air cargo industry and of clients who deal with perishables and otherwise vulnerable cargo. Our turnover presently is roughly 30 million euros. We operate a fleet of roughly 200 vehicles, owned vehicles and subcontracted vehicles that operate all throughout Europe. Our head office is at Schiphol Airport, and we have regional offices in London, Paris, Brussels, Liège and Frankfurt, Germany. Our main reasons for looking at advanced planning and scheduling technologies are, in fact, that the world is getting more and more complex, that the financial margins in transportation are extremely slim, that we are planning our resources on a centralized basis, but the load planning and freight management is done decentrally by our regional offices. So we needed solutions for, on the one hand, on a much tighter basis, controlling our financial performance, really on trip level, on the lowest level. On the other hand, we needed transparency, multi-site transparency, in order to make optimum use of our resources. And we also needed this transparency to an optimum, being able to react to a very volatile demand from our clients. In the selection of an ASP partner, Quintiq came out as the best partner for us, on the one hand because of the intelligence behind the system, the models behind the system. On the other hand, it became apparent to us that they were also quite down to earth and understand our business, our problems and our objectives. Quintiq also was able to provide us with a system that needed a relatively little customization, which was important for me. Quintiq was able to deliver the multi-site transparency. So this complex of factors for us made it apparent that Quintiq was the best partner for us. We have implemented Quintiq roughly a year ago. So we are still in a phase of fine-tuning and improving, but already we see that our financial performance has improved because of simple tools that makes it visible for our planners what the performance is. We have control of our on-time performance also, thanks to Quintiq. So these two have brought us really big improvements so far, and we have not yet achieved everything we can achieve. I think with next generations of Quintiq on the one hand, on the other hand, things that still come up within our own organization that can be optimized, there will be many more gains in the near future. Our business goals with Quintiq for the future are quite clearly can be split in three levels. On the operational level, have tools for the planners to optimize their work and make their work easier, and give them better tools to improve their performance. On a more tactical level, to see on a day-to-day basis what our financial and on-time performances are, and as far as possible see what the performance for and from a specific client is, and what the contribution of this client is to the company. And on a strategic level, I imagine that we'll use Quintiq as a simulation tool in order to simulate either new businesses or new clients, other setups, maybe takeover of companies. This sort of things should really be an added value from Quintiq.